Brianna Sarjan.
We saved you, Bright Master!
Gollum? And why would you save me?
I wasn't talking to you, stupid ranger.
He is working for the Spider.
No, no. The Dark Mistress watches over Gollum. Gollum watches over Bright Master. Bright Master kills the Dark Lord.
And the Spider pulls the strings.
We share a common enemy in Sauron. And you can't always choose your allies. We don't.
Come, Bright Master. Gollum will show you a Crixia path.
That wasn't just a troll.
They are Olog High, war trolls. They're smarter, faster, and immune to sunlight. Sauron's forces are more powerful than ever.
We hate them as much as we hate nasty orcs. We keeps our distance so we don't get squished and crushed into bits.
Like how you tried to crush my head with a rock the last time I saw you.
But we didn't. We could never hurt the Bright Lord. We makes up for it now, yes?
That is yet to be seen.
Close, Bright Master. We're very close.
I know why you are here.
Return what you have stolen.
Silence, Ringmaker. You forget yourself. Stolen. You begged me to have it. And what of you, Talion?
I am here for Minas Ithil.
You seek to save it. Even though it may already be lost.
There must be a way. There is truth in your vision. Grant me another.
To what end? For knowledge? To dominate? Oh, you don't have to tell me. Here is your truth.
You want to move up the ranks, you got to kill. You want to get noticed, kill a pink skin. The bigger the target, the higher you rise.
Idril. She dies.
Many will pass before Sauron is defeated.
This knowledge can guide our hand. If we kill this assassin, perhaps this future will not come to pass. She can be saved.
She will live or die with honor, and it will not shift the tide of war. It is Castamere who must be protected. If he falls victim to this assassin, we will lose the Palantir.
You found him precious? For the Bright Lord. We go to Kirith Ungol. Yes, we'll find the nasty assassin. Yes.
The assassin must be stopped. Gollum, you know where to find him?
Yes, we recognized his curved blade.
A Morgul blade.
Yes, stab, stab, stabbing all the War Chief's bodyguards.
If we find the Uruk bodyguards he's targeting, we'll find the assassin.
The first one is near. This way. Careful. We see a Morgai fly nest.
What are those orcs?
The first bodyguard should be this way.
Earlier you said you recognized the assassin's curved blade. So you can see Shelob's visions.
Yes, Bright Master. One of the bodyguards was nearby. We're sure of it.
They're all over me!
Only a Morgul blade could have caused these wounds. We're on the right track.
He's been dead for some time. We'll need to move faster if we want to catch up with the assassin.
Yes. We knows where another bodyguard is.
As the assassin kills his way up the hierarchy, he'll continue to seek bigger targets. Like Castamir.
Yes. Castamir is the only one who knows where the Palantir is. He must be kept alive at all costs.
Couldn't go out in sun.
We know the nasty orc is here, but we forget where exactly. We're close. You can find it.
That's the Ranger! Come on!
Wounds from a Morgul blade, just like the last one. This kill happened more recently than the other.
We are getting closer.
Gollum should know where the next target is.
Back in the crowd! Way up the ranks. Doing a real good job, too. But it's fast if you do it right. Maybe I should give it a go. Like you would doing it better. It's a good
I found another Uruk. He hasn't been dead long. We're getting closer.
Closer and closer. We will take you to where the next one is. Stupid orcs is never see Gollum. We sneaks around, and we hear so many things. Wait! Orcs are coming. Hide!
He's terrified of Morgai flies. Everyone knows it. Spider! Up there! On him!
Disgusting horses. Always loud and mean. But they don't like the flies, precious. Especially especially the assassin. He runs whenever he sees them. We're close, but too many dirty orcs is around.
Stay here. I can find him on my own. Another victim. Yet this one still lives.
Let's find out.
Tremble before me!
The assassin is near.
The war chief is useless. I wouldn't be surprised if the Dark Lord himself thanks me for killing the Glob and taking his place. He'll do a much better job of taking Minas Ithil than he ever could.
Hawk.
What was that? Look! There's been a murder! What? How can you live like amateur? I followed through with my orders. So if you're here to stop me, you'll be sorely disappointed. Today is your day! Up there! On the wall! Don't let that filthy dog get away! I want him found! If I kill you, I'll be for sure! Get off of that car! Toys up, back! You're still a beginner! Try again! Enough playing talk! Ready to die again? Good hit! Blood for the dog! Ready to die!
Let's hope his death has changed what Shelob saw from Minas Ithil.
Minas Ithil will go the way of all flesh. We only need the Seeing Star.
How much of your soul was lost in that ring?
The Dark Mistress will be pleased. Yes, precious.
Idril and Castamish. So for now.
But the siege of Minas Ithil continues. The Palantir is still at risk of falling into enemy hands.
We are behind enemy lines. We should return to Minas Ithil.
The battle will not be won on the front lines alone.
An intruder! I always get impaired. The top! There!
Baranor! You can't have run out of orcs in the city.
There are a few left, but we're hunting one in particular. The last bodyguard of the war chief leading the siege.
I think we're after the same orc, and the way to a war chief is through his bodyguards.
You sound like you've had some experience in this.
I've had enough.
I'll follow your lead.
Stinking ranger comes around here. I'll train. Shadows.
Join your fallen brothers.
Got a real problem, I do. Get the shakes if a day goes by. Something just moved over there.
With regards from Gondor.
With a funny knife who was killing his way up the chain. Good riddance. Ramblings of a bunch of scared maggots.
Yeah, got to be, right? Don't want those folks getting any more organized.
For Gondor.
The assault on the middle city was glorious. I loved seeing all those pigskins run in terror.
This is from Minas Ithil.
Start looking!
Oh, are you lot far from home? Poor little lost softskins. Don't worry, you'll all be dead soon.
I'll kill you! Try to stop! Stranger, like that, Tom! Rick,
won't be tricked by that!
I almost feel sorry for the war chief we're hunting. He'll be lonely without his bodyguards.
He'll join them soon enough.
The war chief Baranor seeks is just one of many, and they will continue their attacks on Minas Ithil.
Then our path is clear. We have to kill them all, and we'll need help from the Gondorians to do it.
Can't be true. What was I don't believe it? Thought those swine would be brave enough to venture beyond their walls, much less come all the way out. Hit his belly, not his blade! He's a cagey one! Like a beacon! Boy! Good hit! Now kill him! I am your doom!
It appears the Grave Walk.
You put too much faith in the spider. She shows you what she wants.
Then tell me what you wish to see.
Minas Ithil still standing.
Oh, is so selfless. Nothing more. We saw some troubling things last time, didn't we?
I want to know my fate with the Nazgul.
Be careful what you ask for, Ranger. With prophecy comes torment.
We take the city at dawn! Submit to your destiny.
I know what you fear, Talion. Shelob's vision is not cast in stone.
The Witch King.
It is the power of domination. The ring can enslave the minds of men.
What can be done?
Sacrifices must be made, and many will be lost. But we must hold to our purpose, no matter what the cost.
Lives can be saved. If the war chief from my vision is the same one Baranor and his men are hunting, they will need help.
One war chief makes little difference.
Right now, this one war chief is the most immediate threat to Minas Ithil. I will not stand by while Baranor and his men risk their lives to take him down. Baranor, I'm here to help. This war chief you're after, he's not one to be taken lightly.
We've brought down war chiefs before, Ranger. But I won't turn down an extra sword.
And we shall take him down together. I'll take out his archers first. Your men move in after I've cleared the path.
I stand ready, Lord.
I wish I was with the siege beast.
With pleasure.
Set them up is too dangerous. Too much get crossed by a builder. I'd rather it happen in battle. But the rocks, I want to see them fly.
We usually work alone. I hope the aim of these Gondorian archers is true. Otherwise, we'll be dodging friendly arrows.
They're experienced soldiers. They'll do their part.
He's mine.
An elven archer would be worth 3 Gondorian archers.
Really? Only 3?
I say you should put water on your whetstone with sharp blade.
Never underestimate men fighting to protect their home.
This is not their home. That's the last of the archers.
Now let's get to a vantage point. Time to signal Baranow's men.
Ah, the lovely smell of manfood. Nothing is sweeter. Together, we will crush their defenses and grind them to dust. Together, as captains and war chief united, we will have victory. Together, we take the city at dawn! Set them ablaze! For Gondor!
Now is the time to strike.
Keep searching!
I'd say we're even. A good hunt. Less so for the war chief.
And his archers. We should go hunting again.
It would be my pleasure.
So, Talion, did we make a difference?
We cannot see your lens. We must return to Shelob.
The only reason to go back is for my ring.
Enough! This is about more than your ring. Or you! Her sight may be what saves us all.
Be wary, Talion. You trust her too easily.
I cannot ignore what she has shown me.
What was that noise?